Healthy study, we are honored to welcome to the stage Ms. Melissa Henson, Chief Marketing Officer, AIA Philippines.
Thanks, Nam. Good morning, everyone, and thank you for joining us bright and early on this Wednesday morning. We have a lot to share with you today, so we're very, very excited that you're here to listen as we share the results of our most recent research study. So we already heard a little bit about this, but just to recap, our purpose at AIA is to help people live healthier, longer, and better lives. In 2025, we took a very bold step toward realizing this purpose through the launch of Rethink Healthy, which to us is more than a campaign, it's really a movement. And this started because as we started studying health and as we started studying people's relationships and perceptions of health, we quickly realized that a lot of us don't relate